Welcome back into the workshop. I'm back at work on another oak project, this time an oak coffee table. The focus of this vlog is breaking down all the wood, getting the top glued up, and a couple of other goodies. Check out this super long jigsaw blade that I recently purchased. It was a little bit on the pricey side, but I've always wanted to get one for thick stock like this. I didn't have enough thick oak for the legs and rails together, so I had to glue a bunch of 1-inch stock together to get what I need. This is where I need to take a bit of time and get the oak looking uniform, so I want similar grain patterns that are visible. I also have to take note of the growth rings on the end grain. It's very important in this step to alternate up for one board and down for the next one in sequence. That helps prevent cupping and twisting over the course of time. With all the rails dry and removed from the clamps, I joint, plane, and trim everything down to the size that I need. The top's final size is 30 by 30. I also want a 1-inch overhang on the top itself, so the rail and leg combo needs to be 28 inches. To make this happen, I do a mock setup on the underside of my top, get the correct measurements, and cut everything to length. Next time, we'll assemble the whole table, add the X detail to the ends of it, and finish it off with a unique type of stain. Thank you for watching the vlog. Please like and subscribe and comment any questions below.